So we need 3 people when you the 1,000 rand vouchers. Out of it, Oshuma, Ninga Dishimisana next year, like as voucher of expanditure, you want to put a there, don't worry about your spa. So if you feel like you need a voucher, you can come forward there. We just have a few questions. They're easy. You just have to know the Black Couch or MR21 or any of the things in Rashman and Nazarene. So, yeah, 3 people, why don't you have a voucher? Huh? Oh, voucher.
Equal one is one.
Yeah, Rengana tops. No, we're going to ask them questions. Just
So,
one
what could that
question.
Because
the thing is, now with this, you know. Now with this, you know, what could they go because obviously it's an easy thing.
Irenga Gaina guys, spa.
Spa.
Na
and
tops.
Tops in the spa. Dani panda. Yeah, Renga tops in the spa. Auna, yes, that better do it. Rudoila, how come I know Rudoila? Huh? Huh?
No, ni voucher ya.
Ndeza zwa na wa univen. Vila zori komro baba deche na
wampe
cash.
Vila zwa NSFAS zo imam na ngoni abadela.
Ndeza zwa.
Harawa ya cash.
Auna.
Guys, ani ngi won.
Auna.
What?
Huh? Why panda? Ningarota okay no imani hapo nya. No, never no kasha mimi nati.
Mpho.
Richiko nibuzisa.
Kuyo ga top so.
Achuzi rdela rote. Niko daini. No, watu bashiba okay marangati zibe zimbuso dani. Ati watu uko tomoda watu bahashungori we code and ringasi reach.
Ni kuibona iwe chere iko yatanga yote. Odosaro ro demi yatanga.
Aba uafa kababa.
Bashimora zo shona rado war kuresa. Guys, 1K.
Guys, easiest questions ever. Rana question itaru kabe wararo na dawima niko nanga ntinti zabala bakotua. And when inotakwa nada anishafundizila za mrao. Ndizo kudete.
Bashindidzi influencer awoko yango bakandra.
Apa ko vaka camera sharp we?
Bakwana.
Okay, so here's the first question. See? I don't think any of them are the one. No, ngote wananti kataru. Nisha wananti 1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Hey, we mesa.
Rodelesa. So, Dani ngeno panda.
Wabraro, ndinyo wabraro.
Asa ndio ni de panda. Don't worry, ndiko shaba zore.
Guys, call you more.
Na imapo mtu doni bizera.
Let's go.
Chico Blanche Maginya. Hey, Daddy. Ni dead. Okay, so we're gonna Thomas same time. Not in such a no kupindra ini. MR21 you mean like the acronyms now the whole thing MR21. Nuke msachamba number simple. Veo nzonga chamba zo bala nuzira pasi. Nada nikodera zwimwe. MR21. Guys, what a sponsor abe next year banga the door bana itezwi to zo sa amba. Yo bala. What's the question mbili? Yo firela.
You mean arbuziwi? You know.
Okay, ndi ambe kana udoda mwe. Ana kufanga udepindura kade. Kana kata kuwe. Wo Google bangasi Google.
Bangabo no Google mara it's not fair. You're right.
Okay, and then the second one. Give us our top 3 episodes for 2025.
Top 3.
In terms of views. What do you mean, Mpho?
Ari.
Mpho.
Mpho pio.
Oh, Mpho na Mpho. Wewe unani kufana wewe alicha Maginya.
Wewe ari mubidze Maginya uri konoshimsana.
Zantu za this year or a top episode taro. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yaba dau, okay.
Yo Thomas.
Ovitaro. Yeah.
Oh, John.
Okay.
Nizane.
You want to give it a try? I don't know if I'm going running. I remove the dance. Top 3. Yeah, arife. Mpho fichifagi guys. Maropo zina asa tu bachifagi. Now I get why the name achifichifagi. Yeah. Mpho. Hey, nimdibana zina. Hey, subscriber.
Ndia OnlyFans. Ngapanda hambo ndia OnlyFans.
Yeah.
Buntumbu is okay.
Last one.
So otomanga ya mtumbu usatudai Gemini.
Angozi amanga chronicle order.
Ango be order.
Ini no ringi na ini. You wanna give it a try ini? So bada ngange. Asho akulwa chitu. I think oyu amba ori Wadau.
Mpho.
Maginya kulwa chitu.
Ay, for real?
I think the top ones, the top three, this year we have OnlyFans, Mpho, obviously.
She's the first one.
She's the top.
Opiraya Jemin.
Jemin was last year.
Oh.
No, it's fine. Listen, also, Jemin, in as much as our last year, he still has the views from this year, so you could have made it to that list. Mara, we have Mpho, and then Rabana Ntumbu, like you said. I don't know how you got that one. Don't know Mahangwa. And then Havana Msanda. So Rikwe fine. Who you ambambidity? Hey, brother, one is a sudakwa. Mpho. So okay. Well, you're wrong, Mpho. So the next one is gonna be Umbrella K. Yes, an umbrella T. Under the umbrella, we have Indian Chaita. One go, you know, 2000.
No win. Oh, we know again.
No win. So we have.
You know how to do it?
Yeah, I'll do the pass.
Hey, I just said,
Umbrella, we have MR21. We have Nandoni Riverview, which is where we are at. Ndivho company abrarine ikipase la umbrella. Is that easy? Kabe ya ini. Alumbi mini.
Wait a minute. One of my mayonnaise at 12. 12 your mayonnaise.
Okay, yeah, grocery kwa shia wele. So yeah.
Yay!
No, so ngala. Una yepeze ne unyanya ko jena non for imwe mbudziso.
Ufisa ko dade.
Competition ni mjoin. Maginya chikurive ngalungu.
Then mu would say ni Raven. Maybe she'll get it.
Huh?
Ni vani ko Google abewe hako budzisa.
No, abudziso azwabhala bewe nichapindula. Not that. Inyelo ngazaidi zote. No, mara order.
Okay, it's fine, God, it's fine.
Order order.
Taya mayonnaise yako yango chisuba.
Hey. So simple. Mara when gorita vapengo ma. New segment. Give us the name. Okay, no wait. Hapo ni ono damba first. Ordozoro ndinyo no controla munge. The new name of the thingy. The name of the new segment. Articles are very important also. Have you realized that?
Articles. Kambe yope na article.
Marare the unscripted.
Okay, guys,
the giveaway next year. Mutaote obarelwa.
No. I read the unscripted.
The unscripted hour. So obarelwa mutaote. So
what do you hour? Ashabu.
No, obarelwa.
No, we winner.
Obarelwa, right?
No.
No. Afi A B.
No. I don't be angwamba events. Yes.
Okay,
we won.
Maginya. Ingasum. Okay, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so thanks.